Hey, did you know that a simple walk in nature can help down-regulate your nervous system? When we step into the forest, our body shifts from fight-flight towards the parasympathetic state, that rest, digest, de-stress. Yeah, trees, especially conifers, release these chemical compounds, these phytoncides, tiny aromatic compounds that boost the immune system, lower stress, reduce cortisol. That fresh, woodsy smell, it's medicine for your body and mind. And as you walk, your breath slows, your heart rate steadies, your mood lifts. Light filters through the canopy, and your eyes rest in green, these fractals. Your ears soften to the bird song, and all this signals safety and calm. Nature isn't just scenery, it's therapy. 20 minutes outdoors can lower anxiety, support resilience, and reconnect you with something larger than yourself. So, step outside. Let the forest find you and feel that beautiful shift.